This video demonstrates how to access Gearlinx devices via Gearlinx ZERO. The devices used in this demonstration are a Gearlinx NR4416 management appliance, and a Gearlinx Duckfone 4 that are both running firmware version 23.8.5. Gearlinx ZERO is a cloud management service for Gearlinx devices. It provides reliable single pane of glass access and configuration of Gearlinx devices, as well as downstream connected resources. Users can log into ZERO with either local credentials, or via their Google or Microsoft accounts using OpenID. Once logged in, users will see a list of devices they have access to, and organizations they are part of. For quick access to devices or connected resources, the top search menu will index across all of the devices and connected resources that a user has access to. Clicking on one of these results will either bring up the overview page if it is a device, or bring up the access page for that connected resource. Clicking on this serial port connection brings up a web terminal that gives access to the demo switch. Commands can be executed, and if an RPC has been configured and one or more outlets have been associated with a serial port, power operations can be carried out using the power command shortcut. Clicking on a device brings up the device overview page. This page can be used to access the device, access local resources connected to the device, and to manage the device's configuration inside ZERO. To access the device UI, click the Administration option. This will load the device's UI in a frame, allowing device configuration to be viewed and edited. To configure ZERO-specific settings for the device, click the Settings option. To set a ZERO-specific label for the device, which can be more descriptive than the normal host name, enter it in the label field. To modify tags associated with the device, which can be used for searching or configuring device permissions, add or remove them using the Tags field. If there are specific notes applicable to the device, they can be added in the Notes field. This is useful for information specific to where the device is installed, and for any notes to other users. When a device is connected to ZERO, it will consume enrollment units for each day it is active. To pause a device's connection to ZERO, click the Pause button. Likewise, to activate a paused device, click the Resume button. When a device is first shipped, it will be paused in ZERO, so this step is required before a device will be available in ZERO. When a device has its configuration reset, it will lose its registration with ZERO. To reset this on the ZERO side, click Revoke Registration, which will allow the device to re-register to ZERO. To move a device to a different organization, click the Move button. The user must be an administrator in both organizations to perform this option. For more information on Gearlinx products, visit gearlinx.com.